Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. In the previous videos, we have understood about the EBS volumes, we have understood about the EBS snapshots, but in this session, we are going to learn about the Amazon Machine Images, or I can say AMIs, in a very practical, or we can say in a very detailed manner. So now let's start this session. So in this particular session, we are learning about the AMIs, like Amazon Machine Images. So Amazon Machine Images are kind of, I can say files like by which we can create the EC2 instance, or we can say kind of, templates by which we can create the EC2 instances. Okay, so how we can do that and how we can use these kind of, AMIs in order to create our, I can say instances, so that I'm going to let you know in this particular session. So this topic is not that much, I can say big or, very important, but you should know like what exactly AMIs are. But you have already understood these things when we were, doing launching the, EC2 instance. So there were, the option of AMIs were there, like we have selected Ubuntu or Windows machine from AMIs, okay, from the AMI section, which was Amazon Machine Images. Now let's just go to AWS console and let's try to create AMIs, and let's try to create EC2 instance with the help of these AMIs. Okay, so now let's just go to our AWS console. So as you can see guys, like I'm inside my AWS console, and here I'm having the option as AMIs. Okay, so if I'll click over here AMI, so we don't have any AMI in this region, and we don't have any AMI as such. So in order to get the AMI, let's just go back to our snapshot. Okay, and I'm going to create a snapshot, and but here this time I'm creating a snapshot for instance. Okay, so I'm clicking on instance and let's just select the instance, like I'm selecting my machine, and let's just say my machine snap. Okay, I'm just giving the description as well, and then we are having a volumes option if you want to exclude the root volume or not. Like I'm not going to exclude anything, I'm just clicking on create a snapshot. Okay, so once you will click on create a snapshot, it will take some time, like it is saying pending. Okay, it will take few seconds. So you just refresh it. So now as you can see, like our what I can say, our snapshot is working perfectly fine, and it has been created. So now first let's just tick this checkbox, and then it is saying create volume from snapshot or create image from snapshot. So from this particular snapshot we are going to create the image. Okay, so once you will click on this, I'm just writing my image. Okay, and the description I'm just saying my image to create an instance. Okay, and the architecture and everything is already defined by default. So now let's just click on the create button, but before that let's just understand, like we need to give the name and the description, and everything is given by default. Now let's just click over here like create image, and as you can see, like we are not getting anything over here. Okay, so in order to see like whether like where we are having the image, we need to click on this AMI. Okay, so let's just click on this AMIs and let's refresh it, and as you can see here we are having one Amazon machine image. Okay, what we are having, we are having Amazon machine image, and from this particular thing we can launch the AMI. Okay, what we can do, we can launch the AMI. So now what I am doing actually, just try to understand. First we are having one instance. From that instance we have created one snapshot. We took the snapshot, and with the help of that snapshot we have created one image. Okay, what image we have created, we have created Amazon machine image. Okay, so now we are having this image, and we can launch the instance from this particular machine. So what we are doing, let's suppose we are having one I can say system, and something happened to that system, but we are having the snapshot. So with the help of that snapshot we can actually create I can say another image, and with that image we can make a machine like at the different point. So what we are doing, we are just creating a machine. Okay, so now let's just click on launch image instance from AMI. So once I will click over here, so now as you can see, like I'm just giving my new machine and I'm just giving name as AMI so that you guys can actually understand. And as you can see, like here we are having AMI from catalog, but earlier we were using my AMIs or like recent AMIs. Okay, from here you can browse the other AMIs as well, like the Windows machine, Mac OS, or Linux machine, but we are having the machine image which we have already created with the help of a snapshot. Okay, so now I'm just proceeding further without the key pair, and now let's just click on launch instance, and it will take few seconds. And as you can see, our machine has been launched, our instance has been launched with the help of a snapshot. Okay, so as you can see, we have just created this machine, so it is saying pending. Okay, so now this machine is running. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. So let me show you with the help of example as well. Let's just I can say open my what I can say Pentech tool, so that I can show you with the example like what exactly happened and what I have just done. Okay, so as of now, we have understood the concept of Amazon machine images, but now I'm going to actually let you know like how you can actually understand like what are the things which we have done. So as you can see on your screen, first what I have done, like initially I have created one instance. Okay, so what I have done, I have created one instance. Okay, so now I'm having one instance which I have created. So with the help of this instance, I have created one snapshot. Okay, what I have done, I have done one snapshot. Okay, so after a snapshot from this particular instance, what I did, I actually created one image. What I have done, I have created one image. Okay, image is basically what I can say AMI. Okay, and this AMI actually stands for Amazon what I can say machine image. Okay, we have created one AMI, and with the help of this AMI, we have created again one instance. Okay, so what we are actually doing, we are just like, first we were having this instance. With this instance we have created the snapshot, and from this snapshot we have created one image like the Amazon machine image, and with this we have created one I can say instance. So this is the overall process of creating instance from the particular instance. Okay, or by just using Amazon machine images in a different manner. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this concept. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood like what exactly AMIs are, how we can create the AMIs, and with the help of AMIs how we can actually launch the EC2 instance as well. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much.